Welcome back, children, to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. You have been learning about large numbers so far. In the previous class, you learned how to compare numbers. So, using the comparison, we will learn how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. Also, we will learn how to form the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. Children, maths is an easy subject if you love it. You need not get worried about the subject or how to learn it. Just follow the rules and it will be easy for you. So let us go through the video and learn. Are you ready? Yes. So children, today we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order of numbers. Now, what is ascending order? Ascending order is ordering of the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Now let us arrange the following numbers in ascending order. 5,67,438, 87,653, 4,25,680, 6,31,093. Now let us first count the number of digits in each number. 6, 5, 6 and 6. Now the number with the smallest number of digits is the smallest. Now let us compare the numbers with 6 digits. When we compare numbers with 6 digits, we compare the digits in the lakhs place and we can see that the digit 4 is the smallest among them. So, the next number is 4,25,680. Now, the next number is 5,67,438 and the next number is 6,31,093. This is how we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now let us arrange the numbers in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order is the ordering of the numbers from the largest to the smallest. Now let us arrange the following numbers in descending order. 5,74,525, 21,345, 3,62,416 and 8,95,472. Similarly, let us first count the number of digits. 6, 5, 6 and 6. Now, as we are writing the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, let us take the numbers with 6 digits. Now, we can see that the digit 8 is the greatest among them, which is in the lakhs place. So, the number 8,95,472 will be placed first. Next will be the 5,74,525. Next digit number 3,62,416 and the last number will be 21,345 as it has only 5 digits. So this is how we arrange the numbers in descending order. Children, I hope you understood how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order now. Now let us learn how to form the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. Now first let us learn how to form the greatest number. To form the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in the descending order. Now let us consider the given digits 5, 3, 9, 2, 7 and 4. Let us arrange them in descending order. 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the number is read as 9,75,432 and it is the greatest number formed. Now let us see how to form the smallest number. To form the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in the ascending order. Consider the given digits 6, 8, 1, 2, 7 and 4. Let us arrange them in ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. And the number is read as 1,24,678, and it is the smallest number formed by the given digits. Now, remember children, if 0 is one of the digits, it is always placed in the second place, as 0 has no value in the first place. Let us see the example 204679, where 0 is placed in the second place. So, this is how we have to form the smallest and greatest number using the given digits. Now, let us see some more examples. The given set of digits 3, 4, 7, 2, 8, and 5. The greatest number formed is 8,75,432, and the smallest number formed is 2,34,578. From the next set of digits, the greatest number formed is 9,65,420, and the smallest number formed is 2,04,569. The next set of digits 576182. The greatest number formed is 8,76,521, and the smallest number formed is 1,25,678. So, this is how we form the greatest and smallest number without repeating the digits. So, how was that? So, you have learned how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order, and also to form the greatest and smallest digits. So, go through the YouTube URL, write down the answers for the questions which I have given, and also write down the notes. Also remember to do the exercise given. Thank you and goodbye for today.